Hello everyone. Today we're looking at the secrets of Fauvism. So Fauvism is an art period that came after Impressionism, characterized by unnatural colours, new emotional meaning in the colour, and very flat sort of canvases. It came after Impressionism, but if you look here, it's what actually led to Cubism, which then led to Expressionism, which then led to more abstract art. So there's a very pivotal sort of point in art history. Today what we're going to do is look at Adobe Fresco again, and you can see on the screen here I've taken a photo of a kitchen of a house I'm staying in, and Matisse's Red Room, which we're using as inspiration, which is a Fauvist artwork, characterized by its intensely bright colours and flatness of the composition. So you see, I'm just scooting around collecting some existing swatches from the photo using the eyedropper tool. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into the slider section of the color wheel, and I'm going to actually take the existing colors, and you can see there I'm playing with the saturation and brightness and increasing them from the existing colors. So I'm creating a saturated set of the existing color palette. I'm going to go here and reduce the opacity of the trace layer and create an outline of the kitchen on a separate layer using a brush from the top menu, which is the pixelated brushes. And just going to scoot around in a sepia color. I like to do my outlines in sepia or some sort of color rather than black. So you'll see here I'm just choosing a basic brush. I think I ended up choosing an oil brush actually, and I'm just going to scoot around and outline the forms that I see. So you can see I've got an outline there. If I take away the background layer, it reveals a pretty cool outline. So what I'm going to explore now is just using the brushes in Adobe Fresco, in particular the oil brushes. And you're going to see in the next sped up video how the oil brushes actually smear together. Even if you put a different color on, it will pick up the last color that you've had on, and blend together a lot like realistic oil. So I'm just gonna let you watch now. But basically, I'm just going through the palette that we made using the oil brushes, and just coloring in, keeping in mind the Fauvist style, which is intensely bright colours, unnatural colours, and keeping it relatively flat in terms of form. actually accidentally used the outline layer and blurred a whole bunch of colour into it. So what I've done here is actually gone and created another layer and just quickly outlined the original image in order to overlay it over the oil painting layer to give the form some definition. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and yeah, I hope you enjoy this style of working. Cheers.